Hello, and welcome back to the Product Academy. My name is Javier Roldán. Again, hello, and welcome back to the Product Academy. My name is Javier Roldán. I am the experimentation lead at Adevinta Spain. Again, hello, and welcome back to the Product Academy. My name is Javier Roldán. I am experimentation lead at Adevinta Spain and also the content owner of the experimentation module in the Product Academy. As experimentation lead, my goal is to help teams do good experiments in order to develop our products in the best possible way. We have seen in lesson 1 why is important experimentation and more specifically A/B testing in product development. Today, we are going to talk about the scientific method. I will explain its phases and we will see how scientific method is part of the product development. Before getting into the scientific method, I would like to reflect on the learning process that we all have as children. The way we learn when we are children have many similarities to experimentation in software development. When we are children, we learn by trial and error. We are constantly experimenting. Error is an indivisible part of learning. And in the same way that children must be encouraged to continue trying when they make mistakes, we must see the process of experimentation in product development in the same way. In industry, research through trial and error has been done for a long time. Drivers of innovation, as Charles Kettering knew, there is no learning, there is no innovation without failure. Let's see the phases of the scientific method. The first one, observation. It consists of collecting and documenting a problem or opportunity with data and facts in a way that we can think of a solution. Hypothesis, the formulation of our hypothesis. Hypothesis, which is nothing more than the answer that with the information we have compiled, we give to the problem we have. We will go into more detail on the hypothesis in later lessons. Experimentation. It is in this phase that we will design and perform our experiment, so we can validate or reject our hypothesis. With all the results that we have been obtained from the experimentation, we will decide if our hypothesis is true or if it's necessary to look for another hypothesis. A successful experiment has to allow us to make decisions. This is what makes the scientific method so powerful. Let's see how experimentation is present in the entire product development process. Since we identify an opportunity or need, and we need to validate it at the lowest possible cost, at the moment we launch a first solution to our users and clients, and also when we are working on optimizing our existing product or solution. Experimentation belongs to both tracks, discovery and delivery. As we already saw in the Product Academy and Product Discovery course, the type of experiment we should use depends a lot on the product phase we are in. Some examples. If we are in an initial product phase in which our objective is to validate a concept, an idea, or the existence of a need, probably we will run a smoke test or a Wizard of Oz test. If we have learned enough to design a first solution for our business, we will surely make an MVP and pivot on that MVP to add more functionality. When we have an existing product and our goal is to optimize it, the best experiment we can use is A/B testing. Let's summarize what we have learned today. The value of failure and how error is an indivisible part of learning, the scientific method, and how the scientific method is present in product development process. If you want to know more about the topics we have seen today, in these links you can find more information. Thank you very much and see you in the next lesson. What is an A/B test?